Hidden on the northern coast of Tasmania, where the Don River winds its way through thick forests and coastal plains, lies a living piece of railway history, the Don River Railway. But beneath its charming exterior is a tale of passion, perseverance, and a few secrets that few people know about. Let's journey into the past and uncover the unknown facts of Tasmania's beloved heritage railway. History and preservation. The Don River Railway was born from necessity but saved by sheer dedication. The original Melrose line, which once connected Devonport to Paluna, fell into disuse by the 1960s. What could have been another forgotten railway became a labor of love when local railway enthusiasts banded together in the 1970s. They rescued abandoned locomotives and rolling stock, restoring them to their former glory. Today, the Don River Railway is one of Australia's most remarkable operating vintage railways, run almost entirely by passionate volunteers. Australia's first Railway Preservation Society. What many don't realize is that the Don River Railway played a crucial role in railway preservation history. It was Tasmania's first Railway Preservation Society and one of the first in all of Australia. The idea of saving old steam locomotives and railway lines for future generations was not common at the time. But this small Tasmanian group was ahead of its time, laying the foundation for railway conservation across the country. A locomotive rescued from a scrapyard. One of the stars of the Don River Railway collection is MA3, a steam locomotive built in 1952. But did you know this locomotive was almost lost forever? In the 1970s, it sat abandoned in a scrapyard, doomed to be cut into pieces. But just in time, volunteers stepped in, saved it from destruction, and painstakingly restored it. Today, it runs on the Don River tracks, carrying passengers on nostalgic trips through history. The mystery of the ghost tracks. Venture beyond the main railway line, and you might stumble upon forgotten railway tracks, swallowed by nature. These tracks, remnants of the original Melrose line, are sometimes called the ghost tracks by locals. Why? Because despite being abandoned for decades, sections of the rails remain intact, as if waiting for trains that will never come. Some say they give off an eerie feeling, especially at dusk. A train station that vanished. Most visitors board their train at the Don River Railway Station, but did you know the station you see today is not the original one? The first station, built in the late 19th century, was mysteriously demolished in the mid-20th century, its exact fate lost in time. Some reports suggest it was dismantled for timber, while others believe it was simply left to decay. Today's station is a reconstructed version, keeping the spirit of the original alive. The Don River Journey. A ride on the Don River Railway isn't just a trip, it's a time machine. The rhythmic sound of the steam locomotive, the clickety-clack of the rails, and the breathtaking views of the Don River make it an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a train enthusiast or a casual traveler, this journey connects you to Tasmania's rich railway heritage in a way few other places can. The secret underground coal bunker beneath the old railway yards, there is a hidden coal bunker that dates back to the steam era. While it's no longer in use, remnants of the coal storage system remain beneath the surface, a forgotten piece of railway history that few visitors know about. The engine that never ran on the line. The railway houses several locomotives that never actually ran on the Don River line during their working years. Some of these engines were rescued from other parts of Tasmania, Victoria, and even mainland Australia. One notable example is the H-class diesel locomotive, which was originally built for Tush Rail but found a new home at the Don River Railway. A piece of Tasmanian railway that almost left Australia one of the railway's prized possessions, a Tasmanian Government Railways DP-class railcar, was nearly sold off overseas before the Preservation Society stepped in to save it. If not for a last-minute intervention, this important piece of Tasmania's railway history would have been lost to an international collector. The Train to Nowhere track that disappeared overnight in the early 2000s, a disused section of track near the Don River Railway, was suddenly removed overnight without public notice. While the track had not been in use for decades, local railway enthusiasts were surprised to find that it was gone without explanation. Some speculate that it was quietly dismantled for scrap metal, while others believe it was removed for safety reasons. A mysterious abandoned train carriage deep in the Tasmanian wilderness, not far from the Don River Railway, there's an abandoned railway carriage that no one knows the full story of. Some believe it was part of an old work train left behind when the rail network was dismantled, while others suspect it may have been used for storage by railway workers before being forgotten. The time capsule hidden in the station wall. Rumors suggest that during a past restoration project, a small time capsule was hidden inside the walls of the Don River Railway station. Supposedly containing letters from volunteers, old tickets, and photos, this capsule remains undiscovered, at least for now. The phantom whistle that can't be explained. Several visitors and volunteers have reported hearing a steam train whistle in the distance, even when no operational steam locomotives were present. Some believe it's just the wind playing tricks, while others wonder if it could be an echo of the past, a sound trapped in time. The Don River Railway is more than just an old train line, it's a story of resilience, a treasure trove of history, and a moving museum that refuses to be forgotten. So next time you're in Tasmania, take a ride, listen to the steam whistle, and step into a world where the past is still very much alive. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible railway stories from around the world. See you on the next ride.